So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove your front windshield wipers and your rear windshield wipers on your Ford Focus ST. Starting off with the front windshield wipers, I'm currently doing the driver's side. You're going to want to pull it up, press these two tabs in near the bottom of the shaft, and your windshield wiper should slide up and out just like that. And you want to lay this back down just like so. So once you remove them, next you're going to grab your new windshield wiper. For these ones, these are the Rain-X ones, and they have multiple different options, but for the ones on the Focus to clip in, all you guys are going to want to do is lift up your arm, stick this little tab up there, and then slide them on. They should click in just like that. And there you go. There's your windshield wiper, front windshield wiper installed. It's the same for both sides, but keep in mind the driver's side is going to be a 24-inch wiper blade, and the passenger side is going to be a 22-inch wiper blade. It's pretty simple. There's only a little clip here that clips in through this little bracket on the arm back here. What you guys are going to want to do is take your left hand or right hand and then take your other hand. Make sure you don't touch the edges of it, although this is your old one, so it's not going to matter. And all you have to do is stick your middle finger up by this top tab and then just push. And they should snap out like that. To reinstall the windshield wiper, you're just going to grab your next windshield wiper. This one's a 12-inch, but I think the other one on the car was a 13-inch. You're going to grab it, you're coming here, and you're just going to push into it. It should make a click noise, and there you go. It's that simple to reinstall.